friends! Today you will learn about kindness. Have you ever done something nice for someone and noticed how good it made you feel? Or has someone ever done something kind for you that totally turned your day around? That's the power of kindness. Kindness means being friendly, generous, and helpful toward others. It includes kind deeds, smiles, and encouraging words. In this video, you will learn why kindness matters and how to practice kindness skills in your everyday life. Why does kindness matter? Kindness matters because it helps everyone feel happier and more connected. When you are kind to someone, it can brighten their whole day. But here's something cool. Kindness doesn't just help the other person. It helps you too. Being kind can boost your mood, help you feel proud of yourself, and even reduce stress. Kindness also spreads. When you do something kind for one person, they often feel inspired to do something kind for someone else. One small act of kindness can create a chain reaction that makes your classroom, your family, your neighborhood, and even the world a better place. 3 important kindness skills. Kindness is something you can practice and get better at. Let's break it down into 3 types of kindness skills. Number 1, kind actions. Kind actions are the things you do to help or care for others. Some examples include holding the door for someone, helping a classmate pick up something they dropped, sharing with others, doing a chore at home without being asked, or including someone who looks left out. Kind actions show people that you care about them through what you do. Number 2, kind words. Kind words are the things you say to encourage or support others. Some examples include giving someone a compliment, saying please and thank you, asking someone how their day is going and really listening, cheering on a teammate, or telling a friend something you appreciate about them. Kind words can lift someone's spirits and help them feel valued. Number 3, kind thoughts. Kind thoughts are the positive things you think about others, even if you don't say them out loud. When you think kindly about people, it changes how you treat them. For example, instead of thinking, that kid is annoying, you might think, maybe they're having a tough day. Kind thoughts help you see the good in others and respond to them with patience and understanding. When kindness is hard, being kind isn't always easy. Sometimes you might be in a bad mood, feeling stressed or upset with someone. Other times, someone might be unkind to you first, and being kind back feels really hard. In these moments, it helps to pause before you react. Taking a deep breath or counting to 10 can help you calm down and choose kindness. Choosing kindness, even when it's difficult, is one of the bravest things you can do. And if you mess up and say or do something unkind, that's okay. You can always apologize and try again. Don't forget to be kind to yourself. Kindness isn't just for other people. You deserve kindness too. Being kind to yourself means forgiving yourself when you make mistakes, saying encouraging things to yourself instead of being overly critical, and taking care of your mind and body. When you treat yourself with kindness, you'll have more energy and patience to share kindness with others. So the next time you have a chance to be kind, remember the 3 kindness skills: kind actions, kind words, and kind thoughts. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's day, including your own. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For more social, emotional, and mental health resources for kids and teens, please visit www.mentalhealthcenterkids.com. Thanks for watching!